Breastfeeding twins can be a daunting yet rewarding experience, and having the right setup can make all the difference. Today, we'll dive into the ultimate tandem nursing setup and share must-have items to make this journey smoother for both you and your babies. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more parenting tips and product guides. If you've already mastered tandem nursing, leave a comment below with your tips or favorite products. Let's jump into the essentials. A supportive twin-specific nursing pillow is non-negotiable. It keeps both babies positioned properly, and it takes the strain off your back and arms. Save time by pumping both sides simultaneously. Look for a hands-free pumping bra that's comfortable and secure. Consider an electric breast pump with strong suction and a quick cycle to accommodate feeding two babies. Check the description for recommendations. With tandem nursing, sore nipples can be an issue. Keep lanolin or a natural nipple balm on hand for quick relief. If you're nursing in public or prefer privacy, opt for lightweight, breathable nursing covers designed for twins. Twice the babies, twice the spit up. Keep plenty of extra burp cloths within reach. A spacious, supportive chair or couch with armrests is essential for long nursing sessions. Place a side table next to your nursing station stocked with water, snacks, and your phone, or a book to keep you comfortable and entertained. Manage feeding times and schedules efficiently with a twin-friendly feeding tracker app. Nursing twins is demanding. Keep a large water bottle handy to stay hydrated and energized. If you're finding these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up to help other twin parents find it too. Now that you have the essentials, let's talk about setting up your tandem nursing station. Choose a quiet, comfortable spot where you can set up everything you need. A recliner or a spacious couch is ideal. Practice positioning your twins on the nursing pillow to find what works best for you. The football hold is a favorite for many tandem moms. Use a basket or organizer to keep snacks, water, burp cloths, and your phone within arm's reach. If you're just starting out, don't hesitate to ask your partner or a family member to assist with positioning the babies or grabbing supplies. Tandem nursing is a skill that takes time to master. Be gentle with yourself and celebrate the small wins. Have questions about tandem nursing? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Breastfeeding twins is no easy feat, but with the right tools and setup, it's absolutely achievable. Remember, every mom and every set of twins is different. What matters most is finding what works for you. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on parenting multiples. Don't forget to like the video and share it with another twin parent who might need this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.